Welcome back to Orange Intel. In this module, we'll walk through geofences, one of the most powerful tools for protecting your equipment, monitoring movement, and receiving proactive alerts when machines enter or exit defined areas. Geofences give you location visibility. They help you monitor where equipment should be and alert you when it's somewhere it shouldn't be. This is especially critical for theft prevention, after-hours movement, and job site accountability. To access geofences, select the Geofence tab from the main navigation at the top of the screen. This page displays all existing geofences, including the number of machines assigned, coverage area, and last update. To create a new geofence, select Create Geofence in the upper right corner. Start by defining the location of your geofence. You can search for an address or use your current position to quickly center the map. Next, choose how you want to draw your geofence. Orange Intel supports polygon, rectangle, and radius shapes, giving you flexibility for job sites, yards, or wide coverage areas. Give your geofence a clear, descriptive name. Using meaningful names such as job site locations or yard names makes alerts and reporting easier to understand at a glance. Next, assign machines to the geofence. Machines must be added to activate the geofence. If no machines are selected, the geofence will remain empty and no triggers or notifications will occur. You can manually select individual machines or use the Select All box at the top to apply the geofence to your entire fleet. Geofences integrate with the fleet dashboard. As mentioned in the first training module, the main fleet widget feeds the entire site. If a filter is applied before creating a geofence, those filtered machines will make up the geofence machine list and can be added directly. Once machines are assigned, configure how and when notifications are sent. You can enable alerts for entry, exit, or both, depending on how you want to monitor movement. When setting notification timing, best practice is to leave alerts enabled at all times. Equipment theft most often occurs overnight, and continuous monitoring ensures you're alerted immediately when response time matters most. Once your geofence is configured, select Save to activate it. Your geofence is now live and actively monitoring machine movement. In addition to customer-created geofences, Orange Intel also supports Dealer APR Geofences. These are preset boundaries designed to support asset protection and recovery. Dealer APR geofences are pre-configured. Unlike manually created geofences, these boundaries do not require setup. One of the key benefits of Dealer APR geofences is automatic machine assignment. As new machines are added to Orange Intel, they are automatically included in the APR fence, no manual selection required. This ensures continuous protection without requiring ongoing user maintenance, even as fleets grow or change. Geofences in Orange Intel can be shared with others to expand visibility and security across your organization. From the main geofence list view, you'll notice a share option next to each existing fence. This allows you to quickly distribute any geofence you have access to without having to open it first. You can also share a geofence directly from its creation page. This is useful if you want to assign it to additional users immediately after building it. When you choose to share a geofence, you'll be prompted with 3 options: the user, company, or dealer. Selecting user lets you assign the fence to specific individuals in the system, such as managers, theft prevention teams, or job site supervisors. The company option shares that geofence with your entire organization, giving everyone visibility to the same boundary and triggers. And the dealer option enables sharing with your local Ditch Witch dealer, allowing them to assist with monitoring or recovery if needed. To share a geofence, those users must already be set up in Orange Intel. User management is covered in the Admin Dashboard Training module. Once that functionality is in place, sharing geofences will be easier and more flexible. Geofences transform location data into actionable security insights. By defining boundaries, assigning machines, and enabling notifications, Orange Intel helps protect your equipment, reduce risk, and keep you informed around the clock.